martial arts, you can't stop from being the best and the champion and the strongest man in the tournament. Reuse the name, don't test my strength. Does you wanna take a helicopter kick to the face? Vortex throw, fly across the place. Shotokan judo, what's your stake? Either way, gotta get to the gap today. Criminals wanna use my assets, but I will not give in to the dark intent. My enemies are never gonna be as fast, so I'll power up an energy blast. Challenges, 3 rounds, let's 12-hit combo. Don't forget, no need for weaponry. See you're touching me, then take it down to 10% energy. Go vote against the Illuminati. Shadow group, no peace offering. You don't wanna see the evil side of me. Triple cut, yeah, possibly. #1 warrior here in the world. Knock it out, yeah, that's my growth. From the ninjas to Amazonians, wrestlers and American soldiers, tough assassins to genetic freaks. Nobody's safe as an enemy. Dropping bosses very often, dragon punch to the esophagus. If you gotta ask what game do you call that, walk away and go play Mortal Kombat. If you want the best, well check, you can't do this. Tag it, can't say Hadouken!
Man, Sagat just ran out of luck, cause I'm the second barefoot black belt to step up. Ryu and Ken put the arcade in arcade and arcade in your face for karate. And you wonder why you've got no chance? Let me simplify, you had who can't, but we Hadouken! Ken masters, that's the heart of better bastard. Strongest one that you will ever have to react to. I strive for strength, but physical miracle. And no way I will ever blow a punch, I'll just pull Chun-Li. And then, this Ken is gonna get a Tai Chi Bobby. I'm that Street Fighter, alpha male, asshole battler, never frail. Tom Macabata, never fail. Rule warrior, hard as nails. I'll tie you in knots like Dalton Banks. When Gala's mad, and that's a fact. Your skills are shocking like black as back, bitch. I beat cheap beats with tactics, fanatics. I don't get much money, but when I get paid I'll insert the coin straight away and press start to play. I'll hit you off the ground, falling, fall from 1 mile high. Off the ground, falling, fall from 1 mile high. So don't look down, forward,